Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ultrasabers Yari Pike Extensions that I ordered. So I've been waiting for these for a long time. I'll put down in the description when I ordered them and received them. But I'm excited about this. These have been on back order for a while now. I ordered two Yari extensions because I was looking at the length and it didn't seem like it was going to be long enough for my liking. So I ordered two, and I went ahead and ordered a 16-inch blade with both of them, just because why not? It'd be good to have an extra 16-inch blade in case I like that length. Alright, let's start with this. Yep, usual cards. So I ordered the Deluxe blade plugs just because they never seem to be in stock, and so I found them in stock and I just went ahead and picked up 3 of them. They're all identical and they're pretty good looking. That's metal, machine metal. It's pretty good looking. We'll take a look and see what that looks like in a saber in a second. Alright, well, each of these Yari extensions are about 15 inches long. I didn't think that would be enough. And so I got 2 of them. So I've got the black Yara extensions because I intended it for my Dominix V3 here. On the website it showed these with a Dominix V3, which I happen to have. And I thought it looked good. Thought it would look enough. Wow, enough. Thought it would look similar enough to go with it, but at the same time I thought it might be just different enough to easily tell which end is which if you don't have a blade in it. That's really good looking. Nice anodizing. We've got these large cutouts on either end, and with the narrow ones in the middle, that really has a very good grip. So each one of these you had a choice between ordering a connector with it and a 16-inch blade. I chose to do it on both. So the inside of the extensions have female threads and the connectors have male threads. Alright, there's our first one. If you saw my Saber Shop screw order unboxing, you'll recognize this. I went ahead and kept with the all black theme and put the black anodized thumb screw on here, and it's come in handy. I really like it. I'm gonna order some more of these. Really make short work of trying to change blades. If you have something that you take the blades on and off often, or you wear for cosplay, then I really would recommend them. Alright. Wow, that's a good looking blade plug. You still get plenty of light through there, but looks a lot better than the regular plug. I like it. Alright. Let's start off with a 16-inch blade, put it in there and see how that looks. Alright, as you noticed earlier, this is in blazing red. It would be a nice dark side pike. So 16 inches is too short for just about anything else, but I think it'll be really good for the pike. Let's keep going. Remove the pommel, and we'll add the saber to the connector that we bought. Wow. Feels really good in the hand. There it is with one extension, and while I like it, I'm glad I got a second one. Let's open that one. This is identical, no blemishes, looks really good. There we go. I really kind of dig alternate weapons, and I guess that applies to, well, it needs a little lubrication, but I guess that applies even to lightsabers, which is in and of itself an alternative weapon. But I really like some of the alternate types of lightsabers. This Yari Pike seemed really cool. I like to put together an axe and maybe a light whip. Let's get some measurements in here. Alright, from emitter to the bottom of the Yari, we're looking at 46 inches. And from tip of the 16-inch blade to the bottom of the pommel, we're looking at about 59 and a half inches. So that is much more substantial. I gotta say, this thing is really, really impressive. I know I'm not doing it justice. But my studio isn't finished yet, so my filming options are a little bit limited. What do y'all think about this Yari? Do you like it? Do you think you don't really see the point? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to hear what y'all have to say. If you haven't subscribed already, we appreciate a subscription. If you would, hit that notification bell so that you get notifications on future content. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, and we thank you so much for watching. That's going to do it for today. Thank you.